All right, class. Now that we've gone over our important vocab that we've already known, which was going to be our addition, subtraction, our equals, what word problem is, equation, and we got our new vocab down, translate, which means to change from one thing to another. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass out a worksheet and a big list of words. This is what the list of words will look like. You'll each have your own paper copy. And this is what your other worksheet will look like. All right. So, nobody panic. The big list of words, all of that is just going to make it so much easier for us to try to figure out what exactly our word problem is asking us to do. And for the worksheet, it's going to basically give us our template for figuring out what the word problem is. All right, so you have your worksheet. I'm going to use the board. All right, guys. So we need to listen for a couple things. It's going to be important. All right. Can anyone tell me maybe something that they think would be important in a math problem? Maybe like numbers. Good, good. Maybe like what happens to those numbers? Maybe we were adding some. Maybe we lost some. Okay, good. And after we're done figuring out what information it is that we need, we're going to make our equation. We're going to solve it. Okay? All right. For example, don't have my new line, so we're going to use the computer. Question number 1. This year, we asked how many students had animals and what kinds. There are 5 students who have cats and 7 students who have dogs. How many students have pets altogether? So in step 1 on your paper, okay, yours is more of a box. Let's fix that. Okay, step 1. We need to remember any important information. Okay? Did anybody hear anything important? Maybe like some numbers. 5. Okay. 7. Okay. Did anybody hear, like, at the last part, what it was that they wanted us to do to it? What it was that they wanted us to find? All right, I'll read the last part again. How many students have pets all together? So do you guys think maybe all together is important? All right. This is where that awesome little handy-dandy list of words is gonna help us out. All right. So we have our 2 numbers. Yes. And we have a list of words that's gonna help us figure it out. So, all together. Can you find all together? I did. There it is. All together. So, if we're doing all together, that means we are adding. All right. Switch up my colors now. All right. So we know that we're going to add because that means all together. And now we are going to put our 2 numbers, throw an equal sign on there. And then all we have to do is put them in the right order. And then solve. Anybody got the answer? 12, great job. And we're going to put it down here in our answer sheet or in our answer space. Everybody good? How do you think we could check this? You think maybe we could do the opposite? Maybe we, instead of equals, we do 12 minus 5 and see if that equals 7? Let's try. 12 minus 5, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
Awesome.